Hello, welcome to my channel. As usual, today we are going to try something new. We're going to replicate the Twitter X logo. So if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome, and for those that have been, thank you for always being around. And without wasting much time, we'll delve into see how we can try to replicate the new Twitter X logo. It's a simple one, so let's move on. I'm going to use my line segment tool, and as usual, I'm going 45-degree. Hold shift. When you hold shift, you lock it to 45-degree. It's been constrained to 45-degree. So I'll give my stroke. I'm gonna use black. You can use any color you want. I'm using black. So let's duplicate this. Holding, click, press Alt until you see these two arrowhead, and then you let go. Control D to duplicate. Oops. I'm going to align this. Cool. And I'm going to group them. Group, line to middle. I'm going to copy and paste. Control C, Control F. Now, if you do Control C, Control F, it's going to copy and paste on what is already there without changing. Now, let me do Control C. If I do Control C, Control V, it's going to drop anywhere. But if you want it to be on the same either line or shape, whatever it is, just Control C, Control F. You can see it's duplicated on it. I'm going to flip it horizontally. Yeah. I still need one more. I need a horizontal line. I'm going to do this. Control C, Control F. Let's make this 0. Cool. This is it. So we'll centralize everything to the middle. Cool. Highlight everything. Then we're going to use a lovely shape builder tool. So let's see. Where should I start? Anywhere. So I'm going to change my color. Always forget to do this. Cool. Taking this. I made a shot on this, so I decided to design it. Details. You have to be careful. Okay. Let me zoom in so I can see clearly. Oops. Control Z. Just to be sure, we'll zoom in to be sure there's nothing left. Got this. On group, going to hold shift to select this, then delete every other thing. Going to change this, going to change this to white, and then so let me know what you think about this on the comment section on screen. Let me know what you think about it. And that's all. Boom. Thank you for watching. Please, I would love to hear your comment about this. Yeah, let's know what you have to say about it. Thank you very much. See you some other time. Peace out.